Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to publish your Replit app on App Store. All right, let's begin. First, open Replit and sign into your account. From the dashboard, create a new project and select the web app option. This gives you a working environment with a live preview. Then switch to a mobile focus setup by choosing a mobile-friendly template from the starter options. This prepares your project for app-style development. Once your project opens, use the built-in agent or editor to design your app interface and features, make adjustments, test changes in the preview, and fix any errors shown in the console. Continue refining your app until it works smoothly on a mobile-sized screen. When ready, click Publish to generate a public URL for your web app. Since Replit apps cannot be directly uploaded to the App Store, convert your web app into an iOS app using tools like WebView wrappers or app converters. Then, upload the final build to App Store Connect using Apple's tools. So that's basically how you can publish your Replit app on App Store. That's it for this video. Thanks.